Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can use TikTok's lip sync feature. So go over to your TikTok account and choose the audio or the video that you want to lip sync to. So let's go to the home page.
Her birthday party's in 2 days and
so for example, we want to lip sync to this audio. Then all you have to do is tap on the icon right here on the lower right and tap on use this sound. So what you want to do is record yourself and make sure that your lips movements would simultaneously be on par with the audio. Let's go ahead and record.
What are you wearing for your birthday? What do you mean?
So as you can see, the audio is already there. You just have to record yourself lip syncing to it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.